My name's Jen Spencer. This is SmartBug on Tap. And this week, we've got an extra episode for you from one of our super smart friends. If this is your first time listening, welcome. You're in for a special treat today. I'll be back next week with more tips and tricks from SmartBug's Hive Mind. But for now, let's get to the show.
Hi, I'm Rebecca Clyde, co-founder of Botco.ai. If you're wondering how to reshape your marketing strategy during COVID-19, you've come to the right place. In this episode, we'll discuss how to avoid being tone deaf when marketing and how to make it easy for customers to engage with your brand anytime, even when they're at home. At the end of this segment, we'll look ahead and discuss how COVID-19 might reshape marketing in the future. So let's dive in. For starters, the last thing you want is for your brand to be considered tone deaf, especially during such unprecedented times. Please realize it's okay to not have all the answers. No one has ever experienced anything like this before, so we're all navigating this together. However, it's absolutely key that you think twice before you send anything. These are difficult times, and you don't want to risk creating a PR crisis amidst all the uncertainty. The best approach is simply to be direct and authentic. Your brand cares about its customers and employees, so make that known. Just make sure your words line up with your brand's actions. The voice of the customer is also key in marketing during COVID-19. Who are your customers, and how are they personally affected by this? Walk a mile in their shoes before you push out any statements, and if you have access to a recent buyer persona, this is the time to use it. Also, if your business has any front-of-line staff that talk to customers directly, consider reaching out to them for additional insights. Another key concern during the COVID-19 outbreak is the economic impact it's having on business. While there are certainly ways to mitigate financial losses, it's key that you don't act too quickly. Even though you might develop a short-term solution to boost revenue, you need to really consider the long-term implications. Experts are saying that this pandemic will slow business down for the remainder of 2020. So make sure that you develop a plan that can get your business through the next 12 to 18 months. In other words, don't slash the long-term trust you've built with your customers for a quick buck now. On top of properly addressing issues related to COVID-19 and your business, it's just as important to make sure that your customers have an effective way to engage with your brand from anywhere, including their homes. Chatbots are one of the easiest, affordable, and most effective ways to do this. The artificial intelligence built into today's chatbots has come a long way since the early days. And with the right platform, bots can be trained to accurately answer customer questions in an authentic voice. For example, chatbots running on Botco.ai can handle over 90% of interactions without live agent involvement. Today's bots can handle anything from scheduling, lead generation, engagement, and way more. So if your business doesn't already have a chatbot, now is the perfect time to consider it. One of the best things about chatbots is the ease of implementation. They can be integrated into company websites, text messaging services, social media, and more. And since customers likely have limited access to any in-person locations during COVID-19, reaching them where they are is absolutely essential. Having a bot can also help offload staff pressures, giving them time to rest and recuperate if needed. And lastly, what does COVID-19 mean for the future of marketing? While no one has a crystal ball, there are some things that might change for the better moving forward. It's likely that people's coping mechanisms for dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic will create more virtual activities that will last long after social distancing ends. We'll start to see more advanced AI and marketing automation solutions and potentially experience more virtual events, and maybe even see a sharp increase in virtual reality marketing.
Hey there, it's Jen. Yep, I'm back to ask, how can we help? Here at SmartBug, we'd like to know what marketing challenge you're experiencing right now. Email us at marketing@smartbugmedia.com and we'll tackle your challenge in an upcoming episode of SmartBug on Tap.